guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 119. Today is August 20th, it's a Sunday, and we just got a call from Yelp at 10:35 from Burbank, California, and her phone, I guess, got water damaged. And then it cracked in half, the screen, so we are here to fix her phone. That should be her address right here. So yeah, so we're gonna fix that phone. It's a 6 Plus regular white color silver, and we'll show you how it goes down. And we just arrived, and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned for some cool action. Peace. Cut.
I feel like almost like I'll be doing it on my YouTube. I do vlogging on every repair and everything.
No way!
Yeah, I have like 140 videos already. Clicker, you know? That's the intro. Let's see. This one also.
Goblins from Mars, Ryan Oaks. We glowed up. We glowed up. We glowed up. Oh man, look this guy. We all done glowed up. Pulled up, tell 'em pull the curtain. Roll 2, no 3, got a fifth of bourbon. Got foreign bitches that shepherd German. That I want the brain from, I need to learn. And they told us all that we'd end up broke. We sucked it up and we did the most. Now we taking over, we want the globe. So it's to the west to go take the coast. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell them that we in they city, everybody shows up. Oh man, we all done glowed up. And I get to swerving, spit legit, man, I'm sick for certain. I'll fix the shit that y'all bitches hurting. Y'all shit just isn't sick, get to working. I speak in cursive, my words are slurring. Chasing cheese, man, I've been a vermin. I'm in the cut, but I ain't a surgeon. I'm your favorite rapper, but the sicker version. This shit determines those men from sheep. I've been at work while y'all been asleep. I got $1 million down, it's not shit to me. 500,000's not a hit to me. Them people talking don't get to me. 1K to 2 is not a flip to me. And one day or two you'll all be hip to me, cause I keep it high but flow 6 degrees. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell them that we in they city, everybody shows up. Oh man, we all done glowed up. Man, everyone got shit to say. They told us that we never make it. Now we looking back and we laugh in their faces. I hang up my rags and I laugh at the minutes. I'm finally feeling like I went and made it. We all done glowed up. Boy, we all done glowed up.
I know you are trouble, but I can't seem to get away. All the pleasure, all the pain. Palm trees swaying in the rain. All those times we stayed in, the way the smoke would fill the room, and we'd be dancing in the clouds, like we had nothing to lose. I haven't heard from you, it's been a long time. Know that I hurt you, stays on my mind. Let me make it right. We never speak.